Dongguang Sansheng Machinery Co Limited. It is a professional enterprise with considerable scale to produce paper products, machinery, carton machinery, and printing machinery. The company has the ability of product development and design, and an excellent product quality assurance system, high technology, complete mechanical equipment, high degree of specialization, rich manufacturing experience, strong technical strength, advanced testing methods, and a complete management system. Attitude is everything. Details determine success or failure. Integrity creates quality. Quality wins the market. Sansheng waiting your cooperate. This is an economical automatic folder gluer and stitching machine, which is composed of paper feeding part, folding glue part, box stitching part, counting and stacking output part. A multi-purpose machine can glue, stitching, used to glue 3 layers, 5 layers of paperboard. It is the ideal procurement equipment for large and medium-sized carton factories. All electric, electronic and pneumatic components are of European standards. Attitude is everything. Details determine success or failure. Integrity creates quality. Quality wins the market. Sansheng waiting your cooperate.